Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the elephant demonstration. Let me introduce our elephants to you. There are no Yao, Nampung, and the little one, One Pen. One Pen will show you how to sleep. An elephant sleep only 2 to 4 hours a day by laying flat on their side. Elephants get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and spend about 3 hours grazing. Since they are vegetarian, they consume up to 200 to 250 kilos of vegetable and fruit and 200 liters of water. Their favorites are young coconut, banana, and sugarcane. The moose will show you how to bath the elephant. For your information, the elephant take a bath once a day. Elephant trunk have multiple functions, including breathing, smelling, touching, grabbing, and making sound. With this trunk, an elephant can reach items at height up to 7 meters and dig for water under mud and sand. Right now, One Pen is helping Nampung taking a shower.